Well, fantastic. To be honest, I didn't know what to expect. I knew I had this real feeling I needed to be here, and for me, it was a real point in time. I knew that it was going to represent a big transition for me, but I had no idea necessarily what to expect or what breakthroughs I would have. So, how I would describe it in a nutshell, it's certainly an experience like no other. I think I was resisting. I was very driven by my conscious mind, and it probably took me 4 days with all your pre-framing to get into the right zone, and then I started seeing results. Probably at a time when I was worried that things, the time was running out, the course was coming to an end, and that's when it all sort of kicked off for me. So, yeah, great experience. I think it's recognizing the power of the unconscious mind, and specifically that I have been suppressing a lot, and as I say, even during the course of the first few days, I was struggling to connect with what the unconscious mind was. But now I realise what it is. I think I can take myself there much more easily, and I can understand, how this can benefit other people. So, so it's, for me, I think it's like taking the lid off the can of worms. The lid is staying off, and I think more will follow now. So not 100% there, but absolutely recognise that where this is going. Well, in the context of what I paid, it was all I had left, so it's absolutely worth, I think, whatever anyone has left if they realise that they want to put their heart and soul into this as a career, as an investment. I think for what it represents, at least £10,000 would be a reasonable start. I would say, again, like an experience I've not had before. So Daniel's a great trainer, absolutely connects with everyone as an individual. I felt he had an incredible capacity to identify in people perhaps what the limitations were, what the limiting beliefs were, what the significant blocks were, and once identified those particular things, know exactly when and how to drill down on things, so that they would ultimately make a difference, that one thing leads on to another, and that was clear. So so that felt quite special, actually, because there was nowhere to hide. Absolutely a case of getting your money's worth and more. Oh, absolutely, yes. I know you like yes or no answers, so enough. Yes.